two functions f and g are defined as f such if x maps onto 2 plus 2 over x for x greater than 0, and then g such that x maps onto x plus 2 over 4 for x greater than 0. Given that h equals f times g, if I express the inverse function h to the minus 1 in the form h to the minus 1 maps on 2. Okay, so writing down our function, h is equal to f times g. That means first g and then f. So we have to do f of x plus 2 over 4. So that's going to be 2 plus 2 over x plus 2 over 4. Right, notify we're going to simplify this. If you have to divide, this will become, to divide by a fraction, you keep, change, and flip. So keep, multiply, and then flip. Okay. So that sort of idea. Keep, change, flip. Okay, so this now becomes 2 plus 8 over x plus 2. To make it a common denominator, we need to multiply that 2 by x plus 1 and that 8 by 1. So we're going to have, and make it a common denominator to make it easier to find the inverse. We're going to have x plus 2, and then we're going to have 2 brackets x plus 2 plus 8. 8 times 1 is 8. Expanding that bracket, we're going to get 2x plus 4 plus 8 over x plus 2, and the 4 plus 8 are going to make 12, so we're going to end up with 2x plus 12 over x plus 2 is equal to h. But we have to find the inverse function. So taking our function, now to find the inverse, you let y be equal to 2x plus 12 over x plus 2, and then you rearrange it to make x a subject. So multiplying both sides by x plus 2, we're going to get y times x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 12. So expanding, we're going to get xy plus 2y is equal to 2x plus 12. Now we want all the terms which have got x in it, because we want to make it the subject on one side. So we're going to have, so collect the x terms on one side. It doesn't matter which, so we're going to collect them on this side. So xy, if we take that to the other side, it becomes minus 2x, and then we'll take the 2y to this side, we're going to get 12 minus 2y. There's the reason now we have a common factor of x that can come out. So we've got x brackets y minus 2 is equal to 12 minus 2y, and then we divide by y minus 2, so we get 12 minus 2y over y minus 2. And then we rewrite the inverse function in terms of x. So we've got h to the minus 1, which is the inverse function. X maps on to 12. 12 minus 2x over x minus 2. X cannot be equal to 2 in this function because we can't divide by 0. So this has been a video to show you how to find the composite of two functions and then use that to find the inverse of the composite of two functions. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.